Hi, welcome to North State Law. My name is Nick Dogo. I'm still the owner and founder. Today we're going to do a little bit of a dive into another North Carolina Nursing Board Administrative Code. This one is found under 21 NCAC 36.0217, subsection A12. And this one talks about failure to maintain an accurate record of patients' chart, essentially. So basically what this one is not accurately charting. This is going to be a little bit different than fraudulent documentation, which is treated a little bit harsher by the Nursing Board in North Carolina. This one is very important, obvious reasons being, if say you're working 7P to 7A over at a hospital and you do not document that, just throwing a patient name out there, Jane Smith. You're not documenting that you gave Jane Smith PRN oxycodone at 11:15 p.m. Well, somebody else that might be doing around, might be covering for you, might be a provider, comes in there and does not see that oxycodone was given at 11 such and such p.m. They come in, Jane Smith says she's still in pain. They don't know that oxycodone was given, and then they give it again at 11:45 p.m. So it is incredibly important, especially with controlled substances or any medication, to document properly. You also want to document assessments. You also want to document, in addition to those assessments, vital sign readings, what those were when they were taken, things of that nature. Accurate documentation is paramount. I understand that it's a lot to ask somebody when they've got a number of patients, you're busy, maybe you work in critical care and you're just flooded. It's still not going to be an excuse if a complaint's filed against you. You just have to take a deep breath. You got to go back. You got to implement your notes. You got to properly chart. Put in there. At 11:15, did an assessment as to Jane Smith for X, Y, and Z. Vitals were conducted at 1:58 a.m. Vital signs included X, Y, and Z. These were the results of it. That way, everybody going forward, especially when your shift's over at 7 a.m. and you're doing proper patient handoff to the incoming nurse, that they know exactly what's going on. And a lot of nurses, from my understanding, will still do note dumps at the end of the shift. That's not proper because you're going to forget stuff. You're going to put an inaccurate documentation in there, and that's going to present a problem for you. And most importantly, and unfortunately, it's going to present a problem for the patient. Anybody else that's coming and taking care of the patient as well. So you got to be very careful. Do your best on the documentation. Make sure that you not schedule time, but make sure that you create and carve out time to do it during the course of your shift, not just at the end of the shift or in the middle of your shift and at the end of the shift. Go throughout the course of your whole shift and do it, incrementally. Like when something's done, go ahead, get a break or get a quick break, go in there, type up your notes, accurately document, and then go on and go forward with your other patients, all right? So I hope everybody has a fantastic day. Thank you for checking out this video, and thank you for taking care of North Carolina. If you got any questions, please check out the other blogs on my website. That's NorthStateLawFirm.com. You also can check out the other videos that I have on my YouTube channel. I got a lot of them on there. If you can't find what you're looking for in either one of those spots, please give my office a call. It's 919-521-8810. You can also text that number. You can get a free 15-minute discovery call with a member of my staff. And again, thank you so much for taking care of North Carolina. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.